In the last video, I finally finished all the bodywork on my wrecked BMW 335 and got every dent and imperfection fixed. But before this thing can see the paint, there's one last step. Today, I'm resealing every panel, wet sanding the entire car until it's perfectly smooth, and getting 100% ready for the paint. If everything goes to plan, by the end of this video, it'll be loaded up and on its way to the paint booth.
It's delicious.
Alright, we got all the parts sealed. Now the last thing we need to do before we send it off to paint is send this off with 600 grit and all the body panels. So let's get started on that.
It's delicious.
Alright, so I sanded the hood and the quarter panel, and it's all smooth now. So we're gonna leave it as is, and it's ready for paint now. So we're gonna get started and continuing doing the bumpers. Alright, so I got the bumpers ready. So now I'm gonna scuff off some jams here and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I cleaned everything up. Everything is ready for paint. So hopefully in the next video this car will be painted and we will be assembling it. So make sure you like and subscribe to see the end result of how this whole build turns out. And I'll see you in the next video.